Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to use 10web to make money. So basically this is an amazing platform to create your online platform. If you are looking to sell something, you can create your e-commerce platform here using 10web.io, and you can see it have this really great feature of API now, so you can integrate different type of APIs and you can bring the world's most powerful AI website builder to your customers under your own brand with easy integration and full technical support now. So this is pretty good, and you can see we got different type of backup services. We have our drag and drop editor, so that is something really convenient. You can jump to your dashboard to get started and creating your website. So let's just say you want to choose to start with a website. You can simply create with AI, or you can bring your own websites that are already there and yeah, proceed. So basically you can see it is collecting information, and if you want to create a website with an online store, you can select these options and get started to sell different kind of things. So basically that's how you can make money, similar to Shopify, and it offers latest features with AI, so that is going to be doing really nice jobs for you guys. So I hope this is helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.